guys? Hope you have an amazing day. This is Naeem Shahab. Today I'm in one of the best hotel in Malacca City. This is Doubletree by Hilton. Doubletree by Hilton is organized by Hilton, and this hotel have a very nice location. It's about 5 minutes to Junker Street or Heritage side, and then there's just 2 minutes drive to the Malacca Street Mosque and the Riviera Malacca. And in this video I'm gonna take you to a breakfast tomorrow morning, and there's a swimming pool, there's a gym, and this gorgeous room. So stay with me and let's enjoy this beautiful video. Let's go. Morning from Doubletree Hilton. We just check in, and as usual it's the culture of Doubletree that when you check in they will give you a warm cookie. And the cookie, it's a chocolate chip cookie, and it smells delicious. It's really delicious, and I want to take a bite of it. Let me take you to a tour of this room. This is the king size bed. It's very soft. It's like clouds. You see, it's beautiful. And then there's a table sides, two table on both sides of the bed. And you see this painting. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. I think it's the contrast of the room with the painting. It's really nice. That makes it beautiful. And then there's a lamp on both sides of the room. And one thing different that I didn't see in other rooms, other hotels, is this is a full light, and that's a dim light. So if you're sleeping with dim light, this is a dim light lamp, so you can sleep with dim light. And here is a sofa. You can just relax on this sofa. I think I like this kind of L shape or long shape sofa. You can just straighten your legs and relax for some time. Here is a working desk. You can just work here, and there's a light for you if you're working or writing. And here is a chair for you. It's not office chair, it's just a normal chair, but I think they should think about to bring an office chair so at least you can work properly. And here is a desk, a small desk for you if you want to put your laptops or anything. So it's a charging things. See, you don't even need to bring your just your cable. Bring your cable and charge your phone. There's a internet connection for you if you want to connect your computer to internet, so you can just connect it. So this is the view from the hotel room, and this is Malacca side. This is Malacca City. And this is the riverside, so you got a view of both the sides. You can't get better view than this. Malacca and the river of Malacca. And this is a beautiful M-shaped condo. I think that's a condominium there. Show you more of this room. Here is the mini bar. You got coffee, you got tea, you got all the sugar, brown sugar, and complimentary mineral water, a kettle. If you need hot water, there's cups for you, there's spoons. And down below here is the mini fridge. Yeah, very typical Hilton room. Yeah. And this side you have a stove where you put your bags or luggage and any other extra things. Here is the wardrobe. And you got hangers, you got iron, you got ironing board, and then you got sleepers. And up there you got, if you have large luggage, you can just put in there. And there's another wardrobe here. So you have deposit safe box here, and then here you got a hair dryer. You got a laundry bag if you want to do your laundry, and here is the list laundry service. They do laundry service, but it's chargeable, it's not free. And here is a free drawer. and up there is more extra space if you need extra space. Let me take you to a tour of the bathroom. This is the sink, and you got a big mirror in front of you with LED lighting, and then there's the zoom mirror. You got a zoom mirror, you got tissue here, and then you got all the toiletries here. You got the dental kit, you got the shower cap, soap, all the toiletries, and here you got your towels. To your right side you have the shower, you got a rain shower. It's very cozy. I think it's big space, even two people can shower at the same time, and here's your handle shower, so you can use any of them. It's very comfortable, guys. So to your left side is the toilet. Yep, this is the toilet. There's a free space for you if you want to put anything. There's a tissue, good lighting with a blur mirror. And right now I'm in the gym, and it's a fitness center. This is a Doubletree by Hilton fitness center. It's a big one. You see from that side and till that side, and then the corner that side. It's a big fitness center. I think a lot of equipments here, all the dumbbells and all the machineries. Good morning from Malacca. It's time for a breakfast. Let's go to the breakfast. Morning from Malacca, and it's a breakfast time. So for breakfast we came to this restaurant. It's called Makan, which Makan in Malay mean eat. So it's eating time, and they have a lot of food from Western to local and to some Chinese food. So I got for myself some vegetable salad, pastry, and then the fruit. So it's time to eat, and bon appetit to me and you. Was all from Doubletree by Hilton in Malacca, and I really hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe. So stay tuned, there are more video coming, and I will see you in next video. Bye from Doubletree by Hilton.